This is the Flowerevolution series, My Life in Flowers, where I share stories that have led me to where I am in this journey with flowers. The second one I'm going to actually read to you. It's really short. My Life in Flowers, Nature as My Refuge. I'm sure this is something you can all relate to. Had I known when I was a child that there was a way to bottle up all the wonderful feelings I had when I was around flowers and trees, I would have done it. If I had thought for a minute that I had stumbled on one of the oldest secrets of healing the human psyche and spreading happiness in the world, I would have gotten to work right then and there. Instead, I started school and eventually lived in 3 different states. As I moved around from Minnesota to Michigan to Wisconsin, I always felt like the new kid, and I never totally fit in. Whenever I needed peace, I would turn to flowers and trees to soothe me. They gave me perspective and reminded me of who I was. Whenever life got tough, confusing, or lonely, nature was my refuge. As I got older, I traveled even more. At 16, I spent a year in Germany as an exchange student, and later a year in Spain. I explored different cultures, languages, customs, and no matter what country I was in, I never quite felt at home. Unless, of course, I was in nature. Spending time around flowers and trees continued to be a touch point that brought me back to my center. It reassured me that no matter where I went or what language I was speaking, at my core, I was the same. During that time, the healing power of flowers and nature was solely a personal refuge. Being in a field of flowers or forest would pull me out of mental turmoil into a world of petals, leaves, vast landscapes, and a blue sky that went on forever. It reminded me that what was in my mind was small, and that there was a huge world flourishing outside of my head. Most of all, it would reconnect me with the real me. At the end of chapter 2, there's this really cool exercise where you look at these flowers, they're so gorgeous, and you just let your mind go free and jot down the first word that comes to mind about the quality of the flower. And then you grab a loved one and you have them do the same. It's just interesting to see how people perceive the flowers.